When you have prepared most of the food in advance, it will take you half an hour, depending on how long time your potatoes are boiling, depending on the size. The idea of preparing everything in advance is that you can save times during the week. I have taken all my containers out of my fridge, and I'm gonna prepare the food for dinner tonight and my lunchbox tomorrow. I have boiled potatoes for 3 meals. Warm boiled tonight and for lunch within the next 2 days. Roasted for tomorrow night. I have fried some squash for my lunchbox tomorrow. But what you do, you take your container out, put what you want on your plate and in your lunchbox. So we are going to start by cooking dinner and preparing lunch for tomorrow. So this has taken me 25 minutes in total. The potatoes were a bit bigger. Some of them were a bit bigger, so they were finished at 25 minutes later. But I have prepared my lunch box for tomorrow and dinner for tonight within 25 minutes. The only thing I have to clean is my plate and my pan and my pot. The rest is in the fridge, boxed again. It's so easy when you prepare your food in advance and you save so much time. My lunch is ready. Enjoy!